Okay, now we will be doing grade 9, 10 and 11 um, basic concepts of maths. Basic concepts of maths. What are the basic concepts? Which means, when it comes to maths, basically, you need to know that, you need to know, you need to get the knowledge of, ways of simplifying. Basically, this is the foundation of maths, really, right? Unless you know these relations, unless you know these concepts, you will never learn maths. You will never learn maths. So what I'm going to do here, I will be teaching you in a proper way, very in a simple way, right? Simply, then the way of becoming an expert in maths. I'll be teaching you. Okay. First of all, I will be teaching you. You know that grade 9, 10, 11. All the students can engage in this session. So if you are not okay with maths, basically, right? Okay. Anyway, now how can you simplify? This type of one. Simplify. Simplify. How can you simplify this type of one? 5x plus 4x. 5x plus 4x. How can you do this type of one? 5 plus 4 is 9, then 9x. The answer is 9x. So, this type of one, how can you do this type of one? Then minus 7 minus 4. What should be the answer? Minus 7 minus 4. How can you do this? On the other hand, minus 7 minus 4 means, that you need to add minus 7 and minus 4. Minus 7 and minus 4 should be added. Minus 7 and minus 4 should be added here. So you know that minus 7 and minus 4 should be added here. So you know that minus 7 plus minus 11 is, the answer is minus 11. The answer is minus 11. So, how can you do this type of one? Then what's the answer here? Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. The answer is minus 11. The minus 5 minus 4, what should be the answer? Minus 5. You are unable to see here addition. Although you are unable to see here addition, this means, that you need to add these two digits, according to this one. Here you see minus 7 minus 4, which means here, minus 7 minus 4, minus 7 plus minus 4, which is minus 11. Likewise, minus 5 minus 9 minus 4 is minus 9. You think of the fourth question. What is the fourth question? So minus 6 minus 2. Then what should be the answer? The answer should be minus 8. Fifth question, minus 9 minus 2. What's the answer? Minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11. What is the answer of this one? Minus 6 minus 4. What should be the answer? Minus 6 minus 4. Minus 10 is the answer. You think of this one. So minus 6x minus 4x. Do you know here that minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Minus 6x minus 4x is minus 10x. Minus 10x is the answer. So likewise, you are able to do the 8 question as well. What's the answer there? Minus 3, sorry, minus 3 minus 5. What should be the answer? You are able to add these two digits. So the answer is minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. So, minus 6x minus 4x minus 10x. This one, ninth question. Minus 5m minus 4m. What should be the answer? You are able to add these two terms. So, minus 5m minus 4m is minus 9m. So this one, minus 6y minus 4y. What should be the answer? Minus 6y minus 4y. You are able to add these two terms. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So minus 6y minus 4y should be minus 10y. Okay? I do believe that you are able to do these types of sums. So how can you do this type of one? Minus 6 plus 4. What should be the answer here? Minus 6, minus 6 plus 4. What should be the answer here? Yes, you know here, minus 6 plus 4. You need to find the weighted digit here. What is the weighted digit? What is the weighted digit here? The weighted digit is 6. Weighted digit is 6. You know the sign opposite to the weighted digit is minus. You need to put it here. After that, you need to subtract 4 from 6. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is minus 2. Anyway, the answer is minus 2. So you think of this one. Plus 4 and minus 6. Plus 4 minus 6. What should be the answer here? What should be the answer here? Think of it. Here minus 6, here minus 6. Here plus 4, plus 4. The same question has given for you. The same question has given for you. How can you do this one? You know, here plus 4 minus 6. Here plus 4 minus 6. You need to find, if you can see a positive value and a negative value, then at this moment, what you have to do, you need to find the weighted digit. The weighted digit is 6. Then after that, you need to find the sign opposite to the weighted digit. That is minus. So 6 minus 4 is 2. The same question. The answer is minus 2. Minus 2. So how can you do this type of one? 31. Minus 5 plus 7. What should be the answer here? Minus 5 plus 2 plus 7. Minus 5 plus 7. Then what is the weighted digit here? The weighted digit is 7. It is the weighted digit is 7. Here you need to write the sign opposite to the weighted digit. The weighted digit is 7. The sign opposite to the weighted digit is positive. After that, 7 minus 5 is 2. The answer is plus 2. How can you do the 14th one? Then here the 14th one. Plus 7 and minus 5. Plus 7 and minus 5. How can you do this one? How can you do this type of one? Yes? How can you do this type of one? Yes? Minus 5, minus 5. Plus 7, plus 7. What is the weighted digit here? What is the weighted digit here? The weighted digit is 7. You need to write the sign opposite to the weighted digit. That is plus. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. Plus 2 is the answer. So how can you do this type of one? This type of one. Minus 6. This type of one. Minus 6 plus 8. Then one digit is minus, the other one digit is minus, the other one is plus. Negative value, positive value. How do you do this one? How do you do this one? How do you simplify this one? Yes, the greater digit is 8. The sign opposite to the greater digit is positive. Then, according to the way that you learned previously, you need to subtract the least value from the greater value. So 6 minus 8 minus 6 is 2. So the answer is plus 2. So how do you do this one? Minus 6x plus 8x. Minus 6x plus 8x. Yes. Minus 6x plus 8x. What should be the answer here? Minus 6x plus 8x. Yes. What is the answer here? Then the greater digit is, greater term of the digit. The greater term is, that is plus 8x. Plus 8x. You need to write here plus. Then now that 8x minus 6x. The answer should be plus 2x. You need to compare. Here you taken the answer as plus 2. Here also you could use the way that you used to get the answer for the 15th question as well, which means eventually you could see it as mentioned plus x, you need to write here x. That the act that you need to do here in addition to the previous question. So how can you do the 17th question? This type of one. Minus 6 plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10. What should be the answer here? Yes, what should be the answer here? Yes, minus 6 plus 10. The greater digit is 10, the sign opposite to the greater digit, plus 10 minus 6 is 4. Then this one, minus 6y plus 10y. Yes, tell me what is the answer here? Yes, you imagine? Yes, you are okay. Plus 4y is the answer. So, how do you do the 19th question? 19th question. Minus 6m plus 12m. Yes, what should be the answer here? Minus 6m plus 12m. What is the answer? The answer is when the greater digit is 12, the sign opposite to the greater term is plus n. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here, plus 6m is the answer. Okay. 20th question. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 12, sorry, minus 6 minus 12. What should be the value here? What is the value here? Minus 6 minus 12. Yes, minus 18 is the answer. Previously we learned about this one. This type of one, this type of sum. Minus 6p minus 12p. Then what should be the answer? The answer should be minus 18p. Minus 18p. Let's do the 21st question. Here, minus 6 x squared minus 5x squared. What is the value here? This type of one. Minus 6x minus 5x. Yes. What is the answer? What should be the answer? Minus 6x minus 5x. Yes. What should be the answer? Minus 6x minus 5x. We learned it. Minus 6x minus 5x is minus, yes, minus 11x. Okay. The answer is minus 11. Minus 6 minus 5 is minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11. So minus 6x minus 5x is minus 11x. Okay. To become an expert in maths, you need to know these types of sums. The ways of doing these types of sums should be known. Here is a must, right? Unless you know these types of sums, you will never do maths. You won't be able to get marks for maths unless you do these types of sums properly. Okay, so the 22nd question. Minus 6 and minus 96y minus 4y. Yes, minus 96 minus 4 minus 100. So minus 100y is the answer. We are able to do the 23rd question as well. How can you do this type of one? Minus 10x minus 15x. You know the answer that minus 25x. So when you know this type of one, when you are given this type of one, minus 10x squared minus 15x squared, then what should be the answer? The answer should be minus 25x squared. Minus 25x squared. So the 24th question, minus 6x squared minus 10x squared. Then you could use the knowledge gained in the 23rd question. Here minus 6x squared minus 10x squared. Then what's the answer? Minus 16x squared is the answer. Okay. The other question, the 25th question is 25th question. Minus 2x minus 3x minus 4 plus 5. You need to simplify this. You need to simplify this type of one. How can you simplify this type of one? Yes, how can you simplify this type of one? Simplify. You need to simplify the like terms. You need to simplify the like terms. This term and this term can be added. You are able to add these two terms. Previously we did that minus 3x, minus 2x, minus 3x, that minus 5x. How can you simplify these two digits, which is, minus 4 plus 5? What should be the answer? The answer is, plus 1. Is it able to add these two terms more? Are you okay of adding these two terms more? Is it able to add? Really, it's unable to add these two terms. The reason these are unlike terms. Here is a term of x. Here is a term. Here is a digit. You can't write this. You can't write this two that adding the 5x plus 1 that 6x. Oh, this is wrong. Then minus 4x. This is wrong. Anyway, the answer is this one. You are unable to add these two minus 5 and plus 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. The reason these are unlike terms. How can you do this type of one? 26th question. Minus 4 minus 2x plus 5 minus 7x. Yes. How can you simplify this type of expression? Yes. Most probably, this segment is related with the students who are not able to do maths properly, right? If you're okay with maths, then no need of learning this segment, right? I know that I have been seeing that when it comes to our land, in Sri Lanka, most probably, a lot of teachers are not doing these types of segments, right? Especially this segment is done for the students who are unable to do maths properly, okay? So if you your parents that if they are unable to do maths properly, then you need to tell them about this way of learning and about this channel. Okay. Anyway, then how can you do this type of expression? Just tell me how do you do this type of one? You need to add the like terms here minus 4, here plus 5. How can you do this type of one? Minus 4 plus 5. You need to simplify these two. Previously we learned that minus 4 plus 5 that, minus 4 plus 5 that, plus 1. You could add these two, then plus 1. And also you are able to do these two terms as well, simplify these two terms as well. Minus 2x minus 7x is minus 9x. Minus 9x. You can't simplify these two terms more. Okay. 27th one. Minus 10 minus 3x plus 4 minus 8. Just let's simplify, minus here minus 8 minus 8x. Minus 10 minus 3x plus 4 minus 8x. Yes. How can you do this type of one? Yes. How can you do this type of one? I'll give you a chance to do this one. Yes. Simplify the like terms first. Simplify the like terms first. What are the like terms? Yes. What are the like terms? Minus 10 and plus 4 minus 10 and plus 4 minus 10 and plus 4 can be written here. And also minus 10 and plus 4 can be written here. Minus 3x and minus 8 minus 3x and minus 8x also can be written in this sense, in this way. Now you are able to add these two terms at minus 4 minus 10 plus 4. This is minus 6. Minus 3x minus 8x is minus 11x. I told you that it's unable to add these two terms more. These are unlike terms, so you can't add these two terms more. Okay, we are able to do more questions, right? If you want to know about more concepts, you are able to give me a feedback regarding the lessons that you need to learn more. So it's okay, no worries, right? If you want to learn about more facts, more things, if you do not know, then unless you know, you need to convey to me. It's okay, no worries. Then the 28th question. 28th question. Remove brackets and simplify. Before that, I think that I need to teach you another segment needs to be known. Another segment needs to be known. Anyway, so this one. Minus 6 plus 4x minus 2 minus 10x. How can you do this one? How can you do this type of one? Yes, minus 6 plus 4x minus 2 minus 10x. Simplify the like terms. Minus 6 minus 2. These two terms can be simplified. Plus 4x and minus 10x. Now simplify. Minus 6 minus 2 is, that is minus 8. Plus 4 and plus 4x and minus 10x. Yes. What's the answer? Plus 4x and minus 10x. Yes, that is minus 6x. The answer is minus 8 and minus 6x. You can't simplify these terms more. Then we are able to do another question as well. Yes, we can do. Which type of one? 29 question. 29 question. Minus 4, minus 5y, minus 3y, minus 8 plus 10y, minus 2. Yes. How can you do this type of one? How can you do this type of one? Think of this. Yes. Here plus 10y, yeah? Here 10y. Simplify the like terms. Here minus 4, minus 2. And minus 8 also can be considered. So minus 4, minus 8, minus 2. And minus 5y and plus 10y also can be written. Minus 4, minus 8, minus 2. Minus 5y plus 10y. Now simplify these terms. Previously you learned that minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Likewise, minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Then what should be the answer? This type of one? Minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Yes? Minus 6 is the answer. Minus 6. Likewise, you are able to add these digits. What are the digits? These digits can be added. These digits can be added. Here. Yes. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 8. Yes. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 minus 12 minus 2 13 14 minus 14. Here we've learned this one, right? I am not taking a certain term here. Yes, what's that term? Minus 5y plus 10y minus 3y also should be written here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. We could add these terms, minus 3, minus 5y plus 10y plus 5y plus 5y minus 3y. Again, we could simplify these two terms. Minus 14, minus 14, minus 14 plus 2y. The answer. You can't simplify these terms more. The reason, these are unlike terms. These are unlike terms. Because of that reason, you can't add these terms more. Okay. We could do more sums. Okay. What are the other sums? Let's take this question again. Yes, this is okay. This is okay. The other question, 30th question, this one, minus 6 plus 2y plus 6 minus 2y. What should be the answer here? Yes, what should be the answer here? Yes, think of this one. You could simplify the like terms. You could simplify the like terms. What are the like terms? Digits can be simplified in this way. Minus 6 plus 6 plus 2y minus 2y. Minus 6 plus 6 can be simplified, plus 2y minus 2y can be simplified. Then the answer, here 0, here 0. 0 plus 0, is it able to get the two zeros? No, that's wrong. The answer is 0 plus 0 is 0. The answer is 0. So, I will teach you another segment. Okay? The other segment is, that unless you know this type of one, you need to you need to learn right now this type of one. You think of here's a concept, right? This concept must be known. This concept. What is the concept? The concept is, here, when you multiply a positive value and a positive value, which means this type of one, the answer should be positive, a positive value. So, which means when you multiply plus 2 and plus 3, then plus 2 and plus 3 when you multiply, then plus in plus plus, 2 times 3 is 6. The answer is plus 6. Here's the concept. You can't question that how it takes, how can I take this one? Then it's unable to do it. Okay, it's unable to do it. So which means then plus into plus is plus. Then the sign is plus, 2 times 3 is 6. Then this type of one, this type of one, plus 3 into plus 4. Plus 3 into plus 4. Plus into plus is plus. 3 times 4 is 12. The answer is plus 12. Then bear in mind, then you need to know that plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. So this one, plus 3 into plus 5. This type of one, plus into plus is plus. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus into plus is plus. 3 times 5 is 15 is the answer. So you need to know that when it is multiplied, positive value and a positive value. So plus into plus is plus. Then when you multiply a positive value and a positive value, then the answer should be equal to a positive value, which means plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Okay. So the fourth question, you need to bear in mind this one, that plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. Sorry. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Okay. Is that concept that we need to know. So next one, then how can you do this one? Plus 3 into plus 6. Then you know that plus into plus is plus. So plus into plus plus. Plus into plus plus. 3 times 6 is 18. Then you need to know this relation. What's the relation? Plus into plus plus. Plus into plus plus. Plus into plus plus. We could do the other one as well. Minus into minus. Here multiplication, right? Minus into minus. Here multiplication. Generally we do not write here multiplication. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Then how can you do this type of one? This type of one. Minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 3. Yes? Multiplication, don't forget it. Multiplication. So, minus into minus 3, but bear in mind this one, you can't write here that minus 4 minus 3 that, then, when it comes to this one, this type of one, that you can't write that here, that previously you learned that minus 4 minus 3 then minus 7. Right? Here, you need to realize the difference of these two terms, these two sums. Here, minus into minus plus. Here you can't write that minus minus plus. 4 plus 3 is 7. This is wrong. When it is multiplied, you are able to write that minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus, which means when you need to multiply. So here you can't multiply. It has not given to multiply here. Here you need to add. Previously you learned about it. Right? Okay. So the answer is minus into minus plus. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. How can you do this type of one? Then minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus plus, minus into minus plus. Plus into plus plus, minus into minus plus. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. Okay. Wait. Then how can you do this type of one? That again I will write this here. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. So minus into minus is that is plus. When it comes to these two segments, here positive, plus into plus, minus into minus plus. Plus into plus, minus into minus plus. Plus into plus, minus into minus plus. So this one, then how can I do this one? Minus, then this type of one, plus 2 into minus 3. Plus 2 into minus 3. How can I do this type of one? Plus 2 into minus 3. Yes, plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. Here is the concept of maths. You should not ask me the questions like what's the reason for that. Yes, concept. You need to know about this one. You cannot question that. These are concepts, right? These are concepts. So, plus into minus is minus. 2 times 3 is 6. So, plus into minus is minus. So, now how can you do this type of one? Plus 3 into minus 2. Plus 3 into minus 2. Plus into minus, 3 times 2 is 6. The answer. So plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus is minus. You know, this type of one. So, plus 3 into minus 2. So, plus into minus is minus. 3 times 2 is 6. We want to put a bracket here. So, plus 7 into minus 8. Plus into minus minus. 7 times 8 is 56. Minus 56 is the answer. So you know that plus into plus, plus, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus. Then what is minus into plus? You know plus into plus, plus. Learn it, right? Properly. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus. Yes, you tell. Minus into minus, plus. The other one. Plus into minus is minus. So what should be minus into plus? Minus into plus is minus. Here minus, here plus. Okay. So you know plus into plus plus, minus into minus plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. You know how can you do this type of one? Minus into plus. Minus 4 into plus 1. So minus into plus is minus, 4 into 1 is 4. The answer. So minus 10 into plus 3. So minus into plus is minus. The answer is minus 30. The answer is minus 30. Okay. How can you do? Then you know that plus into plus, plus, plus into plus, plus, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So it's okay, right? Then let's do these ones. Plus 4 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 5 into plus 4. Plus 4 into minus 3. Yes, you know, plus into minus minus, 4 times 3 is 12. Minus into minus is, yes, plus 3 times 4 is 12. So this one, minus into plus is minus 5 times 4, yes, 20, minus 20. This one, plus into minus is minus 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so plus into minus, minus 4 times 3 is 12, minus into minus plus, 4 times 3 times 4 is 12. You know, minus into plus minus, 5 times 4 is 20, plus into minus minus, 4 times 3 is 12. Now you know that, then when it is multiplied, minus into plus into plus plus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. Okay. You know, how can you do this type of one? You know, you need to compare, you need to do these sums. Okay. Minus 4 plus 3 and minus 4 into plus 3. How can you do these types of sums? Yes, how can you simplify these types of sums? Tell me. Yes, think of this. You learned. So minus 4 plus 3 is you need to get the greater digit here. Then the greater digit is, I'm talking about this one. This one. 4. The sign opposite to the greater digit, which is, you know, minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then here minus 4, here minus 4. But here you have been given to multiply. Here you are unable to multiply, right? So here just, you know, few minutes ago you learned this type of one. So, you know, minus into plus is minus, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. Then if you know these concepts, definitely you will be able to become an expert in maths. Definitely you will be able to become an expert in maths when you know these concepts, these things of maths. So, what is the value of this one? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. Yes, minus 5. You know this type of one? Minus 3 into minus 2. Yes, here multiplication. Now, minus into minus is plus. 3 times 2 is 6. This is the answer. Okay? This one, we could do more questions of these, basic concepts of maths. We could learn more things, right? So, this type of one. Minus 3 into minus 2 into, wait, minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. How can you do this type of one? How can you simplify this type of one? Yes. How do you do this type of one? Tell me. No, here minus, here minus. Minus into minus, already you have been taught that minus into minus, which is, that is plus. Minus into minus, multiply it. Minus into minus plus, here plus, minus into minus plus, here minus into minus plus, here plus, minus minus plus, this plus and this minus can be multiplied. So here plus into minus is minus. First of all, you need to find the sign here, which is, positive or negative. So minus minus plus, plus into minus minus. 3 times 2, 6, 6 into 1, 6. The answer is minus 6. Let's do this type of one again. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. How can I do this type of one? Minus into minus. Here plus. This plus and this minus can be multiplied. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. The answer is minus 1. How can you do this type of one? Yes, we can learn more questions. Yes. Minus 2 into plus 3 into minus 1 into plus 5. Yes. How to do this type of one? How can I do this type of one? Yes. Here minus into plus this one and this one, this one and this one. How no need of writing these arrows and so on. Writing easily, you are able to get the answer that when you learn these concepts, right? So minus into plus is minus. This minus and this minus, minus into minus plus. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into plus minus, minus, minus into plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus into plus is plus. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. The answer is 30. The answer is 30. Yes. So, can you remember? Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Okay. We could do more questions. Yes. Remove brackets and simplify. 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 You need to remove the brackets and simplify. Let's first of all learn the way of removing a given bracket. This type of one, minus 2 into x minus 2. How can you remove this bracket? How can you remove this bracket? This type of one, yes. How can you remove this type of one bracket? How can you remove? Here minus, here plus. Unless you can see here it's having positive, then minus into plus. Minus 2 into here plus 1 now. It cannot be seen here. Plus 1 here. Opposite to the term mix. So anyway, here minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. We've learned those concepts already. So here minus into plus is minus. 2 into x is 2x. Minus into minus is, yes, minus into minus. What's that? Here multiplication, huh? Here multiplication, we can't see it. Minus into minus is plus. 2 times 4 is 8. You cannot simplify, you can't add these, simplify these terms more. The reason these are unlike terms. These are unlike terms. Therefore, you can't add these terms. Okay. So how can you remove the bracket of this one? This type of one. Minus 3, 5 minus 5. How can you remove the bracket of this one? This type of one. Here minus, here plus. Yes, we learned that minus into plus. Yes, what is minus into plus? Minus 3 times 5. Yes, you tell me. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Here minus, here minus. Minus into minus. Yes, minus into minus. What's that? Minus into minus. Plus 3 times y is 3y. You are unable to add these terms more. The reason is these are unlike terms. These are unlike terms. You cannot add these two terms. 15 and 3 cannot be added. Okay? So minus and plus minus 3 times by 15 minus 2 minus plus 3 times by 3y. Okay. We can do. Can we do more? Can we learn more? Yes, we can learn more. Okay. So remove brackets and simplify. Remove the brackets and simplify. Here, I will mention here 2 brackets. Okay, 2 brackets. Here, x plus 1. Yes. How do you do this type of one? How do you simplify this type of one? Yes. How do you simplify this type of one? Here minus, here plus. Do not want to write this positive here every time, right? So that you can get an idea about these types of sums properly and mentioning these signs here. Okay. Every time no need of mentioning these positive signs and negative signs. No need. Minus into plus is minus. 2 times x is 2x. Minus into minus is, what is that? Yes, plus. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus into plus is minus. 3 times x is 3x. Here, minus into plus is minus. 3 times 1 is 3. Yes. Simplify the like terms right now. How can you simplify the like terms? Yes. How do you simplify the like terms? Here, minus 2x minus 3x. Yes, minus 2x minus 3x. You could simplify those two terms, these two terms. Then minus 2x minus 3x plus 8 minus 3. Minus 2x minus 3x is, yes, what's the answer? Minus 2x minus 3x. Yes, you have been taught. Minus 5x. Plus 8 and minus 3 is 8 minus 3 is 5. The answer is minus 5 is plus 5. Is the answer. Can you ask, is it able to simplify these terms more? It's unable. What is the reason for that? These are unlike terms. Okay. We can do which other questions? Yes, we can do. This is okay. Minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x. Yes, this is okay. How do you do this type of one? This type of one. Yes. Minus 6 into 2 minus y plus 2 into minus x minus y. How do you simplify this type of one? First of all, you need to remove the bracket. After that, you can simplify. Remove the bracket and simplify. Yes. Minus into plus is minus. 6 times 2 is 12. Minus into minus is plus. 6 into y is 6y. Plus into minus is, yes, tell me, minus 2x. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into y is 2y. Now simplify the like terms. How can you simplify the like terms? Yes, simplify the like terms. Minus like terms. What are the like terms? Here you are unable to see any other digits. Here minus 2, 12. Can you see more digits here? No, you can't see it. So minus 12, 6y and minus 2y are the like terms. So you are able to simplify these two terms. 6y minus 2y is 4y. 4y minus 2x. You cannot simplify these terms more. The reason, these are unlike terms. 12 plus 4y and minus 2x cannot be added these terms. Okay, so can we do more questions? Yes, we can do more questions. The other part, the other side, how to do this type of one. Minus 3x squared minus 5x squared. Previously, we learned that minus 3 minus 5 that minus 8. Minus 3 minus 5 that minus 8. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. So, minus 3x minus 5x. What should be the answer? This is minus 8x. Likewise, here you could see minus 3x squared minus 5x squared. So, what should be the answer? Yes, here x squared. So, minus 8x squared is the answer. Minus 8x squared is the answer. You could see that here this value and this value will equal, in the index. Okay, so minus 5a squared minus 2a squared. What should be the answer here? Yes, what should be the answer here? Minus 5a squared minus 5a squared minus 2a squared. Yes, what should be the answer? You imagine? Think of it. Yes, minus 7a squared is the answer. How do you do this type of one? This type of one. Minus 5a squared plus 2a squared. Minus 5 plus 2. What should be the answer? Minus 5 plus 2. What should be the answer here? Minus 5 plus 2. Yes, minus 2. So here, minus 5x plus 2x. Yes, what should be the answer? This is the answer. Minus 3x is the answer. Likewise, Likewise, the value of this expression can be taken as minus 3a squared. 3a squared. So this one minus 4x squared plus 7x squared. Yes, you think of this one. Before doing this question, how can I do this one? Minus 4 plus 7. Yes, what is the answer? Minus 4 plus 7. The answer is here plus 3. Greater digit, consider the greater digit, then that is 7. Sign opposite the greater digit is positive, then put positive, then 7 minus 4 is 3. You learned about it. So then minus 4x squared plus 7x squared, the answer is, yes, the answer is plus 3x squared. This is the answer. We can do 2 or 3 questions more. Okay. So how can you do this type of one? Minus 2x squared, right? Minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. How can we do this type of one? Yes, remove the brackets and simplify. Remove the brackets and simplify. Let's remove the brackets. Here minus, here plus. Here minus, here plus. So minus into plus is minus. 2 into x squared is 2x squared. Minus 2x squared. Minus 2x squared. So this one. Here minus, here minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 2 times 4 is 8. 8x. After that, yes, after that, minus into plus, this one, minus into plus, minus into plus, here multiplication now, minus into plus is minus. Eight. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So now you can remove this bracket as well. How can you remove it? Here minus into plus minus 2 into x 2x 2 into x x squared minus 2 minus plus 2 times 4x 8x minus into plus minus 2 times 1 2. Here minus into plus minus 3 into x squared 3x squared minus into plus minus 3 times 3 into 2x 6x. Minus into minus is, yes, plus 3 times 4 is 12. Now simplify the like terms. How can you simplify the like terms? Yes, like terms can be simplified. These terms can be added. Here minus 2x squared. Minus 2x squared. Here also minus 3x squared. Minus 2x squared minus 3x squared. How can you simplify? Yes, minus 2x squared minus 3x minus 2x squared minus 3x squared. Minus 2x squared minus 3x squared. Yes, after that, terms, x terms can be simplified. How can you simplify x terms? Plus 8x here minus 6x, and also this minus 2n plus 12 can be added. How can I do this? Minus 2x squared minus 3x squared. Minus 2x squared minus 3x squared. Yes, minus 2x squared minus 3x squared minus, yes, minus 5x squared. 5x squared. Plus 8x minus 6x. Yes, you learned it. Plus 8x minus 6x is minus 2x. After that, minus 2 and plus 12 is plus 10. Is it able to add these terms more? I mean, minus 5x squared, minus 2x and plus 10. It's unable. You are unable to add these terms more. Okay. This is okay. So, I think that I taught you most important segment of maths. When you do the sums related of these concepts, definitely you are able to become an expert in maths. So for that you need to practice anyway these types of sums again and again. Then you can become an expert. Sorry, in maths. So okay. We will be able to do more sums in the near future. Get ready for learning. So you also can join our classes. Then you need to send a WhatsApp message to this number. Then mentioning your class and yes, especially mentioning your class and school 071 137 4484. You can join our classes if you wish to join our classes. Okay, let's meet in the near future. Thanks.